quality for me. These look so good. Quality. Quality. So for the outfit, I was going for bougie auntie with the fur. I think I executed it very well. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as y'all can see by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe unboxing video. So if you're into that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I told y'all I have a lot coming. Still got them coming. So make sure you hit that bell for post notifications so you're notified when I upload. Disclaimer, I do this in every video. If you are not a fan of replicas, just go ahead and click out the video. Period. No need to stick around. But if you are a fan of replicas and affordable, high quality shoes and replica items, then stay tuned and subscribe to your girl channel. I get a lot of questions, comments, and concerns on whether these replica companies are legit, and I just want to say, y'all, that anything that I promote on my channel, anything that's attached to my name, is going to be legit. I do not benefit from scamming nobody. People spend their hard-earned money, and I'm fully aware of that. So I just want to say that this is a trustworthy channel. Anything I post, I don't benefit from lying to y'all. I promise I don't. So anything I post will always be legit, and yeah, I just wanted to say that because I get so many questions and comments on that. Period. So these shoes I'm gonna be unboxing today came actually via FedEx Express. This company was not playing. They was trying to get me my shoes, and I appreciate it. I'm gonna be unboxing some Alexander McQueen shoes, another pair. Watch my previous video, or I don't know if this one's gonna go out first or the red. I don't know. I'll be having a few Alexander McQueen unboxings coming. Yeah, just stay tuned. These are by Vnkick.com, and we about to just go right ahead and get into it. It's kind of late, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, so I'm trying to get my energy up, but it's about like 2 o'clock in the morning. Y'all already know the drill. They came in a plain brown box. To get some to slice this open. Hair scissors for the win today. All right, y'all, these did actually come bubble wrapped. Get into it. They bubble wrapped them. This box is looking bomb, which is to be expected because they really made sure they came in good condition, which we can always appreciate. Here's the box, y'all. She's in pretty good condition. I forgot what size I got these in. I don't remember. Did I get these in a 41? Child, who knows? So this is the box. Let's get into them, y'all. I keep looking at my freaking self. It never fails. Okay, they kind of strong, but they're not that bad. So when you open your box, this is what it is looking like. I see an Alexander McQueen bag. It's just a gift bag that says Alexander McQueen, and it has red handles. That was really nice. A gift bag or whatever. Then you also get a dust bag. It's also always nice, so you can store your shoes or do whatever you want if you're traveling with them. It's just a dust bag. You also get this Alexander McQueen card. It just looks like this, or more so a pamphlet slash card thingy. That is that. Then you get this little Alexander McQueen envelope, and inside the envelope are some more cards and goodies and little stuff. All of that in there. You also get extra white shoestrings. With these shoes, they actually do, the tissue paper does have the Alexander McQueen logo, but it's very, very, very faint. Like, you can barely tell. I don't know if y'all can tell, but okay, the camera is picking it up. So y'all can kind of see that the tissue paper does have the logo on it. And again, shout out to Vnkick. They are the ones who send me these shoes. I do have a coupon code, I believe. I will have all the information on the screen. I will have their website and everything. Of course, all the information will be in the description box per usual, as well as links, coupon codes, and more information about the company. So the shoes do come individually wrapped in plastic and then in a napkin-like material, kinda. Oh, it's really, really soft. Oh my goodness. Quality. Quality, okay? These are freaking beautiful, y'all. I just unboxed some red ones. Like I said, I don't know if this video is gonna be up first or the red ones, but these look so good. Look at them, y'all. Look at these shoes. Alexander McQueen. There's the bottom of the shoe. Says Alexander McQueen right there. These look so good, y'all. And they feel really good. They're really sturdy. The smell on these is so like bearable. They have a very like faint smell. It just smells like a new shoe, but like a new designer shoe. So they get an A+ for smell and quality. Like these were very well made, y'all. Super sturdy. They look super good. Even on the inside of the shoe, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, but it says Alexander McQueen on the inside of the shoe. And then they do come like with a foot thing in here, like some paper just to keep it shaped. If I can grab it out of here, y'all. Just come with this paper in there. And then of course the laces, come on, exposure. And then of course the laces are they just come tucked in there. This is a really well-made shoe, y'all. Super good quality. What do I be saying, y'all? The replica companies don't come to play. They be stepping their game up, y'all. Vnkick, y'all did y'all thing with these. And I did get these in a size 41. Honestly, y'all, I didn't know what, I think this was like one of the first companies that I'm collabing with for the Alexander McQueen shoes, and I really didn't know what size to get, but I now know that my size is 40. So hopefully these aren't too big. If they are, I could just wear thick socks and it's like no big deal. But yes, these are bomb, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the other shoe. Came individually wrapped just like the other one. Baby, get into it, get into it. It's the quality for me. It's really the quality for me. These replica companies, they don't be coming to play. They don't. And I'm here for it. On the inside, they do say Alexander McQueen in there. Y'all, these are bomb. I love the black and white. It just looks super just classic and just, I don't know. They just look so clean. I just feel like Alexander McQueen's are just a clean like shoe in general. They look so good. Quality for me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Quality. Quality. If you've been watching my videos, my replica shoe unboxings, you already know how these videos go. I just like to unbox them, review them, let y'all get the details, the close-ups, all of that. And then I also like to style these. So I'm gonna style them. I'm also gonna be giving y'all on foot review just so y'all can see what the shoes are giving on the feet. Y'all, so for the outfit, I was going for bougie auntie with the fur. I think I executed it very well. I have on this top from Shein. I have on this like fur kind of shawl type situation from Akira. I have on my Fashion Nova jeans, and then of course the star of the video, the Alexander McQueen sneakers. Also threw on some gold accessories because it's gold and the shoe. I have on my necklaces. And yeah, y'all, that is basically the fit. It's getting very much so bougie. I was gonna put my black trench coat on, but I don't know, I guess I wanted to just do something different. This the fit, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to Vnkick for sending me these Alexander McQueen sneakers. They're bomb. Make sure y'all go check them out. I will have all their information in the description box down below. Make sure y'all check them out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I be styling up my kicks that I be getting sent. So head over there, go like some pictures, follow your girl. Giving very much so bougie auntie vibes, and I'm here for it. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications so you won't miss the upload from your girl. And I will see y'all in my next video.
All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you were home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses, and hugs. No, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby.